morning. Good morning, good morning. Thursday, March 6th, day before NFP. And I'm gonna go over the market. Hope you all are doing amazing. And first, as always, what we do is look at what has news in store for us. Today we have Euro rates. Later, before New York session, employment claims 8:30. So London session, both for Euro and USD, not per se the highest probability. Better to wait. See what we now have on DXY. Massive sell-off. We talked about it on Tuesday as well. About the 7 was coming up. I was actually waiting for price to come back here and then make this move, but it already went. And now it's waiting for a retracement move. I still think this could be on the cards. We have a yearly for value gap down there. So we could be marching towards that. Also we have another monthly value gap right here. So the monthly and the yearly time frame is where I'm looking at for DXY draw on liquidity. That's lower. Follow that. Means wait for a retracement. Then I continue to move. Yo, Frank, good morning. Good morning. Cool. Then for JPY. JPY I'm neutral on right now. Don't like the PA too much. I'm gonna leave it alone. For Nasdaq, I am aiming for higher prices. Why higher prices? Liquidity from November actually. Yeah, November low. And then start to move upwards. And yesterday during previous students, I mentioned the digital turtle soup we have here. I got one loss here, but the second run I was in. And stopped below this low. And I think this could be a very nice low of the week. Tuesday 10 AM. The classic Tuesday buy week. Well, drawn liquidity, I would say, big high here. So I'm gonna aim for a continuation play for that today as well. Not sure if it's gonna be during this London stream. Probably will be around New York. So then you have your classic accumulation, your AMD or Judas swing, accumulation, manipulation lower. So it would be nice to see some sell-offs during London, and then start distribution phase as a classic Judas swing. What I have in store for the Nasdaq. Take a look at YM. I haven't looked at YM yet. Moved away from the fair value gap. Yeah, I think we are on the start of a potential buy structure. So for example, for YM, this 4-hour BC looks very nice. So my bias for indices is first lower than higher today. First, we're going to look at some shorts. Then the DAX. Oh, the DAX just moved up again. Very aggressively. Towards drawn liquidity, that's all-time high again. Now we have a new point of interest. We have a daily bullish fair value gap and order block. Down close candle here is an order block. And why is it an order block? Because the down close candle trades into another. It's very important. Tomorrow's NFP, and before NFP, not the best days occur. So I'm just gonna low expectations. For example, euro US dollar. I'm not trading it. You have euro rates coming up. Look at the red folders here. Euro US dollars off the cards. GU, same. Might expand it. I'm not gonna short this. I'm gonna wait for potential retracement. That's the same for the USD pairs. Euro CAD is up only this week. I mentioned here during the weekly outlook, we want to see this swing low being formed and then take a entry there, but we didn't get any retracement. We got this one during the London session Tuesday. Did not take that. Use JPY towards the weekly busy. Price could be headed there right now. That's something I'll be looking at for this session. Use JPY towards the busy. Okay, JPY still has that swing low that you want to visit. Yeah, get JPY shorts also. Cars today. But I want to see that because this was not on the cards, this buy move upwards. I want to see sell structure forming in this price leg. Like that. Cool. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is moving so nice yesterday. Very clean. You could take this from the 5-minute or 50-minute. The low here. Reverse up 1, reverse up 2. Displayed it up towards Tuesday high. I took it myself from the 15-minute. That's why my TP and stop loss are a little higher. I took it from this 15-minute balanced price range, overlapping part, aggressive sells, aggressive buys. If you're going to watch the new 2025 mentorship video, the one that just released on YouTube, I'm gonna promote it later today. This is what I discussed. This piece of price moves about how the liquidity sweep here, aggressive sells, aggressive buys, and for value gaps, how to play that. So you could have entered the trade here, but of course also where I'm in, I'm currently in a bigger position. Towards the February 24 high. Let's see if he wants to do that. I still have a higher bias for gold. And it's perfectly fine, but if we don't have that, let's say if we start breaking down from here, we're gonna get sell structure towards February low and a monthly bullish value gap order block. that's the price we need to pay. If we're going higher, I'm in. If we're going lower, I take a -1, but the sell structure will be confirmed to the downside. That's something that price I will pay every single day. Oh, yo, man, good morning. Are there any other pairs you guys want me to go over this sunny, where I'm at? It's very sunny Thursday morning. Use the GHF. Let's do it. Do it. So I'm gonna take an eye on USD JPY myself for potential trade. Already moving, so let's see if we can catch that. That looked pretty nice, actually. Let's do a clean chart. So what I'm seeing is make a failure swing here. We start breaking down. With this first daily for value gap, I think we get tagged there. Quickly zoom in. Yeah, it tags in. Then it breaks down again, leaving a fair value gap. And because we tagged that fair value gap, this one's also an order block. We tap into the fair value gap order block and start breaking down again, making this another order block. So we tap here into that order block again. Start breaking down. So this looks very nice for shorts. It goes down because USD is so weak, because all the other GHF pairs are up. CAD GHF also weaker. Okay, let's now jump to the lower time frame. We're in Asia high right now. We have left equal highs on this fair value gap. That's not very nice. Oh, we tapped to the 4 hour. Yeah, this is pretty nice for shorts. Like low hanging fruit, if you're intraday trading this, go to here. It is a work of art. What my game plan would be is if we can get in the coming 10 minutes a fair value gap here. Somewhere here. And potential shorts, something like that. Could be nice for a quick 1-2. Let's see if the value gap is formed. Same for USG, JPY. See what it's early in the session. What we will do. Cool. Any other pairs? So for gold, what I want to see is that the bodies keep respecting this order block. That's very important for this buy structure to hold. And for now, all the bodies respected the order block. Let's see in 10 minutes if this also is the case here. Yeah, for the JPY pairs. JPY basket is not too clear in my opinion. But we are still in a buy structure. As long as we're in a buy structure, then shorting the JPY pair, so including GBJPY, could be something you could do. But if I'm shorting something, I want to short the weakest one, and USD is by far the weakest right now. That's why I'm looking at USDJPY. But then we have a relatively stronger JPY, and you want to pair the weakest other currency. And I think CAD is weak, USD is weak, so I like these two. What our crypto friends are doing. Look at the rejections here from the weekly business guys. After this week, we have a swing low created inside a key level. A weekly bullish effect. And see where that, I think that's the most important part. You guys know how to trade for value gap, how to read that. Where do the bodies close? The bodies do not close inside the weekly business. They're closing like miles above it. We're going to cover crypto more in the coming few weeks, as I think the market will heat up a lot. And I will start throwing some crypto trades to the mix as well. I've been trading for the past couple weeks, some demo trading on crypto. It worked pretty well. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. Am I bearish on gold? Well, I'm in a long position. But what I mentioned earlier in the stream, this was the first target on the trade that was hit. And if we from there start breaking down, then I take a -1 on this swing trade. But then we probably gonna start creating some sell structure towards the monthly. Let me zoom out. The monthly fair value gap and order book here. I still think that could be on the cards. So for now, let's see how that plays out. Yo, doing good morning. Ojibo, good morning. Links, good morning. But this is good. First lower than higher. I think the YM looks very interesting for today. I want to check what we do inside this 4-hour busy on YM. That's the question for today. Because we have a new hourly candle coming in 3 minutes. This is interesting as well. How the DEX is reacting. Let's see if we're gonna create a bear structure. Then we can start taking shorts on gold, or just a liquidity sweep. Let's see what it brings us. Ajiba, I think that's a dangerous question. Can you long gold now? I think you should determine it yourself. Like, why would you long or short somewhere? That's totally up to you. If you see your buy structure forming right now, if this is your checklist, if this is exactly your model when you are going long, usually, sure, take your long position. If it's not, and you're just waiting for some random YouTube dude to say buy or sell or short here, I'm not sure if that's the best way to become a trader. Because let's say I say now, Ojibo, let's go long, for example. And I'm completely wrong, which I am many times. Then you're like, oh shit, but this YouTube dude did it wrong. I lost money and I didn't learn anything. You rarely want the opposite one. So you watch a YouTube dude, in this case, it will be me. You see like, hey, based on the concepts this dude is teaching, he does X, Y, and Z. I also trade this concept. In this case, IST concepts. I trade this concept as well. And based on what I do myself, on my own trading, I think what this dude is telling right now, long or short, is something I agree with or where I disagree with. If you agree with it, of course, take your trade. If you disagree with it, maybe we can talk about that. Like, hey, I'm not seeing longs here. I maybe see shorts here because of X, Y, and Z. What do you think of that? And then we're going to have an amazing discussion where probably one of us is going to be right and wrong, because price can only go one way, up or down. And that's good. And that's how you grow over time. So maybe instead of like asking the question, can I long or short? Try to fire more direct questions. Like, yo, this structure or this fair value gap, I think it's not going to hold, or it is going to hold this structure because of X, Y, and Z. What do you think? It's what I tell all my students. This looks pretty on the DEX. Big projection from yesterday's high, from all-time high. Like one on the lower time frame, it's even clearer. But I'm not convinced yet on the UCGF shorts seeing this. Let's see more. I would say on gold, shorts favor more right now. So here for value gap 1 here, and after this candle, I'm very curious at 10, or not at 10, at 4, 10 my local time, but 4 in your time, if you create this for value gap, because then I'm gonna join your team short towards yesterday's lowest low-hanging fruit, and of course the monthly busy coming in. Yo, T-Man, good morning. Cool. So if you guys know a person, or maybe you can do this, I'm looking for a developer, like PineScript developer, who is experienced in creating trading view indicators. I want to build one myself. I want to build my own model inside indicator, so I can just give you guys the indicator and it's like, hey, this is the model I trade, have fun. If you know someone who's a good developer and would be able to help out, it would be amazing if you can send me a DM. Ooh, so no deck short, of course. Never short the decks. Wow. This was just a clean rebalance with this 1 hour busy. Aggressive sells, aggressive buys. Okay, so YM is now, I think YM could be very nice to play. So we're now inside this 4 hour busy, and from there you want to see buy structure forming. So from here, we don't see displacement higher, at least taking out this swing high. But ideally, if this idea will follow through, we're gonna do one more time and then break that high, and then do the buy structure. ChatGPT can code PineScript. Yeah. Like I think I can get the source code myself, or how do you say that? Like the start, like the draft. But a indicator and stuff also needs to be tested. Like back tested in different pairs, different market environments. And it's not a bot. Like I don't want to create a bot that buys and sells, but I just want to be an indicator that is just gonna ping when the model appears. So for example, the Skool model. Let's see if we can find a Skool model somewhere. Okay, hypothetically, Skool model is coming in on GU. So we took yesterday's high. It would be funny, yes, the Skool model now is appearing. It will be very funny. So Skool model is the easiest model you can get. So we take daily high or low. In this case, daily high. Market structure shift 5 minutes. Downside. Targeting opposing 1 hour array. 1 to 2. So in this case, this would be, I think we are honestly gonna get a Skool model. That's funny. Law of attraction here. Cool. Okay, so this will be the model. So now we wait for the market structure shift that is going to be down here. And then this is supposed to happen. Something like that. But once we break this structure and the entry criteria is ready, then I want the indicator to say, yo dude, check out GU. Maybe with that exact text. You get a notification, yo dude, open your trading view. And I think that's possible. I already saw some other indicators doing that. But I want to search my own network first. Yeah, T-Bank for JPY, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. Like, I'm looking for JPY shorts because USD is just so weak, so insanely weak. But it's already going. I think use JPY with the move could hit the weekly BISI here. That's why it's definitely on the list for today. For the other pairs, yeah, there is SMT at the lows. There's also SP at the highs. So I'm pretty neutral on the rest of the JPY pairs, if I'm really honest with you. I would favor just a continuation of the buy structure. We are just going upwards. We are just following order flow to the upside. Okay, so now let's see if price can break down. Perhaps you're gonna see Skool model right in front of your eyes. Let's see, let's see. This for value gap 1. We now break structure with another for value gap. That's gonna be the entry. So that's probably gonna be something like this. So let's see if Skool model is going to appear. Cool, so I'm gonna try this Skool model here. See if it wants to play. The reason I'm already taking it is I like how we create a swing high in a key level. We have premium raise now respectively. We took liquidity also well here in a kill zone. So this is one of my favorite models. 1 to 2, nothing fancy. Also, UTGSF looks also very nice. I wouldn't say Dex Seek and Destroy, man. This is very clean rebalance from the 1 hour. 1 hour and nice buy structure for value gap, boom. Wait for the second for value gap. Yeah, most time I wait for that, but I like how we move here. Like the time is on the side. We expanded a lot, so I'm good with trying this. It's a little aggressive. I agree, but I'm okay with doing that. Oh, the DXY. Let me check what DXY is gonna do. Yeah, DXY is chilling, but also for DXY, I'm expecting some up movement coming in very soon. Just based on time and price here. Massive expansion, Thursday London, you can make a local low here. And then trade higher. Yeah, if you are used to indices around the open, then Forex is very boring, very slow. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Cool. I'll leave the stream on for a few more minutes, and then we're going to go on with our day. And while we wait on more things to happen, like we have Euro rates coming in, it's very exciting. We have some major red folders coming in. Try to figure out what you want to do with your day. Like maybe it's nice and warm outside. Go outside. Go read a book. Go play video games. Go whatever. Do something. Don't glue your eyes to the charts. I will now, from this point, I will close my charts and I'll come back at the New York session. Then we can see if this potential Skool model worked or it didn't work, and who cares. Same here, use GSF, shorts towards the low here, coming in. Daily structure. All the premium rates are respected. That's nice. Cool. Awesome, guys. That's everything I had to share for today. If you liked today, leave a little W in the chat. Also, don't forget to like this stream. It will be awesome. And then I will see you all back on Monday for New York trading. Weekly Outlook, New York trading, and make sure you check out the new liquidity video that's released on the YouTube channel. Cool. Have an amazing rest of your trading day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.